85cc class final here at Iriga City. Bakbakan naman to guys. Rio Remolacio versus Zaira Paco. 15 second board is up.
5 seconds.
Ayan na! Rio Remolacio versus Zaira Paco. Wow!
Zaira Paco.
So
Rio Remolacio is on second.
Zaira Paco versus Rio Remolacio. Wow! Ayun, no? Olive Salonga third. Wow. Rio Remolacio versus Zaira Paco. Wow. Ayun, no? Gandang bakbakan guys. Babae na kauna. Babae na kauna sa 85cc. Oh. Wow. Still leading Zaira Paco. Ayun, no? Rio Remolacio second. Wow. Last two laps. Grabe.
Zaira Paco. Remolacio on second.
Unti-unti nang lumalayo Zaira Paco. Oh.
Six laps for open.
6 laps.
Yan. Zaira Paco breakaway na. Grabe. Rio Remolacio.
So make sure.
Ara. Grabe. Ayun, no? Grabe ka talaga Zaira Paco. Walang pinipiling kalaban. Babae man o lalaki. Nawala si Olive Salonga. Ito, Olive Salonga. Breakaway na Zaira Paco guys. Wow. Second, it's Rio Remolacio. White flag. Grabe. Rio. Wow. Grabe ka talaga Zaira Paco. Walang pinipiling kalaban guys. Rio Remolacio second. Oh. Last lap for Zaira Paco and Rio Remolacio. Wow. Ayun. Grabe. Last lap for Zaira Paco and Rio Remolacio. Battle for fourth. Olive Salonga versus number 7.
For this final race, we will be having dito sa gilid ng motoring
Last lap. Wow.
para makapagpag-picture doon sa mga idol. Yung ano niya, yung lakang niya doon sa second competitor niya. And
Another champion for Zaira Paco! Wow! Woo! Grabe.
Congratulations, Zaira!
For winning the 85.
And then second is Rio Remolacio.
Yung dalawa ni ano, Rio Velasco. JC, picture mo.
Number 7 on third.
Number 1.
And then fourth is
27.
Oleg Salonga.
Number 27.
Checkered.